Understanding Genuine Concern, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, genuine concern. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. Let's dive in. Genuine concern is a phrase that combines two important words, genuine and concern. Genuine means authentic and real. It's used to describe something that is not fake or artificial. On the other hand, concern refers to a feeling of worry or care about someone or something. So, when put together, genuine concern means a real, heartfelt worry or care for someone or something. It's a sincere emotion that comes from deep within. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Her genuine concern for the environment led her to start a recycling program. 2. When he heard about his friend's illness, his genuine concern was evident in his voice. 3. The teacher's genuine concern for her students' success made a huge impact on their learning. In each of these sentences, the phrase, genuine concern, is used to emphasize that the worry or care is sincere and heartfelt. You can use this phrase in various situations. When talking about someone who cares deeply about an issue or a person. To describe your own feelings of deep care or worry about something. In professional settings, to discuss sincere interest or worry about a project, client, or colleague. For example, you might say, I have a genuine concern about the deadlines we have to meet. Understanding phrases like genuine concern can really enrich your English language skills. It's not just about the words, but the feelings and sincerity they convey. I hope this video helps you grasp the essence of this important phrase. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.